going on, everybody? Get the light up in here. So, before I start, I forgot my paper. Can't start without my info. So, okay, the scale trains went back, and I ended up getting another Broadway Limited, older Paragon 3. It's an EMC EA unit. It's purdy. It's a purdy unit. And y'all got it right this one. You got Paragon 3 right, BLI. I like it. I like Paragon 3. I want to go back in time now. Where would this be? This is, warranty. Do I have 2 warranty? Oh, look at that. I got 2 warranty. Paragon 3 Operator's Manual. So this unit, oh, that's right, it's on the top of the box on this one. November of 2017, which I already knew this was a first run because of the road. The current run, they have the Gulf Mobile and Ohio version, which is what this turned into. You got a non-coupler pilot. We're not going to use that. We got another coupler here for some reason. Those are both real ones. Yeah, that's a real one. That's a real one. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful. And this would be EMC E8, built in 6. That's June. Yeah, June of 1937, with a build order of 668. It was number 52 for the B&O Railroad. In 1940, they sold it to Alton, which would be the 100X? No, 100A? Yeah, 100A. Because obviously there must have been a B unit, but I'm not getting a B unit because it's, from what I understand, it's a dummy, and I'm not paying. Well, one, this is an old model, so I probably can't even find the B unit. And 2, where'd my sleeve go? Oh, right behind me. 2, I'm not paying the price they want for a dummy unit. Because they want some crazy, I mean, they like, it's only like, I think it was like 50 or 60 bucks. Not even $100 less than the powered unit. So, yeah, I'm not doing that. Where the hell would this, okay, we'll just put that in there. I'm lining that out. I also, well, here. Let me get this out of here. And it's a hefty unit. This is actually my very first three-wheel axle locomotive. I've never had a three-wheel axle diesel before. This can go over here. This can go over here. Where's that other piece? Yeah, this can go over here. Okay, so we also got a wood water tank because the steam engines are thirsty. You got to have water for the steam engines. That's going to be fun. Got start of this side of the curve on the outside. Let's start with the Atlas. We'll start with the Atlas. This is an NE6 caboose, New Haven Alpert scheme. Oh my God, really? They're the snap ones? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. That's purty. Oh, that has a little standoffs for the smokestack. Oh, that's really nice. Really? Can I not put these on? I guess I'm not that good. I used to could. I guess I'm spoiled with this thing now. Okay, put this back in the box. Get in there. What's the paperwork? Warranty. Then, two roundhouse. A wide vision Frisco. And this was the good one. This is the one I saw and I just grabbed right off the shelf as soon as I saw it. Oh, really? Come on, Fox. Have I mentioned how much I hate how they design boxes? Because you can never close them without opening them all first. And this one is a bay window. my Illinois Central or Illinois Terminal. So we got a good collection of my little hump yard here. Okay, put this away, and then I'll show you why I was back. Because you're always going to open a box to close it, because you can't put the stuff in. You know what? Remind me when I become rich and powerful and the leader of the world to really give the person who made a box a lashing to. And then here we were bad. Yep, another Paragon. This one's a Paragon 4. And it's a little itty bitty box. Which way does this one go? Oh, right there. Okay. And here we have built in January, February, March of 1949. With a builder's number 8603, we have Chicago and Great Western NW2, number 30. This thing is actually beautiful. Not as nice as the EA, but I can see that because the EA has a lot more room. You can add more detail. But yeah. Nope, nothing else in the bag. That's it. So I'm going to throw the track in and move the cars and see what I need to change on volume wise, and keep watch for detail videos of both. What else? And yeah, hopefully I'll be back later tonight yet to run. I'm not quite sure because it's going to take time to do two different locomotives, getting the sounds just right. Because again, I don't want to be thin walls. I don't want to be pissing the neighbors off. But yeah, I need help. Is there a BLI train buying anonymous? Because I'm definitely in it. Anyway, have fun, y'all. I'll see you soon.